Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Knowledge Base, and I'm here to show you how you can improve your YouTube channel with ease and perfectly get all the reports. Did you know that Morningfame.me, which is Morningfame, in other words, can handle your YouTube channel with much ease, getting all the analytics that you need, getting all the strategies, the velocity, and the algorithm to see how best it works. I am taking you through here. Remember, this is Morningfame and it's a free tool for you to use while you want to improve your channel. When we go to here, get to www.morningfame.me and get to this dashboard. Of course, you have to log in by using your Google Gmail account. Okay, we have the traction here, we have the strategy here. We can look at how strong is your channel's performance. It always tells you how the watch time moves and goes down and keeps on increasing as well, from low to up there, or the average is also showing you. So this is what I use to make sure that I monitor my YouTube channel to see what it is doing for me. So in this workshop, we have for example, let's go back. We have the traction. All the traction is here. The channel growth speed up. Yes, it's a tick. The views, the tick average duration, it's giving you the average duration, the likes, the comments, and the subscribers gained. All this information is right given to you. And in this case, this is why we connect our YouTube channel to make sure that we get the right information. We have the strategy, we have the workshop, of course, we have the views, we have the watch time here, we have the engagement, and we have the subscribers. All this information is right given to you. Then we have the velocity. You go to the velocity, observe your new videos taking off. We are also able to see how your new videos are taking off right using this part. Then we have the algorithm. Okay, the algorithm, how YouTube algorithm promote you. You're getting here, and then they can say unlocked, which means you activate the key. Okay, when you activate the key, look at how I am getting the whole information concerning my YouTube channel. How do YouTube's algorithm promote you? By looking at what already works well. You will find ways to get more views from each algorithm. So you're here, we have the home, we have the views, and we have the watch time. So in this report, you're given all the reports, okay? You're given all the report, Google search, subscriptions, notifications, linked content, shorts, trending, everything is given here. But in this case, to help you understand how the algorithms works, especially the algorithm of YouTube. Okay, this is the information that we're getting under the algorithm. Then we can say get access to the keyword tool. The keyword tool, remember, the keyword tool. Most of you are finding it hard to get the keywords. Okay, then we're getting into the keywords. Start a research session to get access to the locked tools. Here they're getting you to say upgrade to plus. You'll also be able to upgrade once you need it to upgrade. Of course, you're given a free version, but in this case, you're given a chance to upgrade. Starts a subscription of $13, and then we have the yearly here of $9 if you're paying the full year. So you're able to get all this, and guys, it is very easy, it is very simple, and at this cheap price, you're able to get this information right with much ease. And again, did you know that you can get an affiliate link as well? You can get an affiliate link. You ask for the affiliate link, and you'll be able to get the affiliate link. For guys, if you're watching my YouTube channel, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then if you want a link, please get the link, because when you get the link, you'll be able to get a free version of morningfame.org. So get to my description and get my link, which I am posting right now for you who want to access this. Remember, Morphe, you cannot get this system unless you have used an affiliate link. So get into my links and make sure you get to whatever you need. So please let me post the affiliate link. Let me post the link for you to land on this and see how beautiful you will make sure that you're putting your channel to this level. So guys, let's improve our channel, but most of all, let's improve our channel with free, and again I mentioned, with the free accessibility. This is free accessibility. So when you're getting the statistics, video statistics, here you're able to see the video statistics, see how the video is performing, how many visitors, how many views you're gaining. And guys, this is free. This is free. And again, I call it, this is free to join, and this is free to make sure that you get your channel running, most especially with the free SEO. And also, if you want to get the pro version, you're able to subscribe with just $12 per month, and which is minimal. I know most of you are paying a lot of SEO tools which are very expensive, and in this case you may not gain so much. So that, guys, this is my dashboard, and this is where I go in to make sure I see the performance of my videos, and they will always tell you, let's see, full algorithm list. Okay, the full algorithm list is also given right here. Okay, can you imagine? Full video, each video has got the full statistics, and then the full algorithm is always be here. So we can say top videos by average view duration. Let's say the top videos by the duration. You can see my average duration of this is 639 seconds, 649 minutes, 39 seconds. I have 587 minutes, 27 seconds average duration. I have 538 average duration. I have 465.49 seconds. I have 462 minutes, 0.5. I have, all these, they're showing you how your videos are performing and what duration you're able to watch. And of course, when you have a lot of duration, means that the performance of your videos is on top notch, guys. So I am able to get these statistics, but only you can get these through Morningfame. And Morningfame is free, and it will give you all whatever you need. So guys, let's get in. Let's get more on Morningfame. And remember, the link is posted in my bio. Please get into my description, and I'm attaching this link for you to join. Remember, you will not join anywhere unless you have access with the link that I've given you. So thank you so much, guys, and subscribe to my YouTube channel when you find my videos with a lot of sense. Or if you have learned or you want to know something, please give me comment down, and I will be able to reply your comments right with ease. So thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in my next video, and let's get to learn our information, most especially on how best to improve our YouTube channel.